Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a card from your boards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello web application, and then you will need just to follow this simple step. So after you connect to your Trello web portal with your Trello account, all we need to do is to go to our board where we want to remove the card. So basically here, either you can just click on this boards section or view, and you will find your boards here or your list of boards, or you can just go to your boards section and click on the board that you want to reach. So basically I want this board, and let's suppose that I want to remove this card. Basically all I need to do first is to archive my card, and after you archive it you are going to delete it. So basically to archive card, either you are going to click on this customize button and click on it, and here we will find archive. Otherwise you can have an extended view of your card, so you are going to click on it and you will have a more detailed view, and here down at the bottom we will find archive. Or simply you can just right click on your card and find archive and click on it, and basically now our card is disappeared, but it is just archive and not uh, permanently deleted. To delete it, we need to go to our archive list. So basically, we need to click on these 3 point buttons. We click on it, and here we will find the more option. We click on more, and of course, here we will find archived items, and we are going to click on it. And basically, here we will find all our archived cards. And this is the one that we have just archived, and now all it remains to do is to delete our card. And of course, it will give us a confirmation message if we want really to delete our card. And basically, all you need to do is to click on delete, and now we have removed our card successfully and permanently from our board and workspace. So basically, this is how you remove and delete your cards. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.